Hey friend, hop on a little detour where I guide you through setting up network monitoring in Microsoft Azure. Now, I know it might sound complex, but I promise it's simpler than pie. Let's get our hands dirty and dig into this topic together. Alright, so let's start with an introduction. In the digital world of cloud services, Azure has secured a massive portion of the market space because, well, it's fantastically reliable, secure, and just downright flexible. We've decided to give Azure a shot, or perhaps you are here because you want to up your Azure game in network monitoring. Either way, you've landed in the perfect chat where we are going to unravel the ins and outs of network monitoring and make it as easy as 1 to 3. Now, why network monitoring, you ask? Well, my friend, imagine this world without network monitoring is like a dark house without a porch light, chaos in full swing. We need to be able to see where our data is going and identify potential bottlenecks, or like a car without a dashboard, we won't know what's wrong till we get somewhere cold. Plus, there might be security threats lurking around the corner, and we need eyes everywhere. Monitoring our network helps us be the protectors of our digital realm, making sure everything is tip-top shape and secure from the unkempt shadows. Moving straight into network monitoring in Azure, there's this neat feature they offer called Azure Monitor. Picture Azure Monitor as the overseer who keeps everything in check, ensuring our networks aren't just functioning, but thriving. This tool gathers details so we can have oversight into every packet that zips around our networks. Next up in our toolbox is Azure Network Watcher. Now, you'd think it's a watchman, right? Well, it kind of is at heart. It's like our personal network watchers, but they don't just watch, they help us find and eliminate issues as efficiently as it's possible. Let me dive a little deeper here. It's like we got our digital detectives, sniffing out any noises or leaks in our data channels. Now, let's talk about NPM, or Network Performance Monitor. NPM, as the name suggests, keeps tabs on how our network performs. It's like a personal coach, giving us tips on how to keep our data flowing at its best and helping us to identify when we are underperforming in the networking league. Then, we arrive at Azure Traffic Analytics. This gem helps us understand the traffic flow through our network, helping us analyze and visualize the high and low periods. It's like understanding the rush hour of data. We know when to expect peak traffic and can plan our data strategy accordingly. Now, I know all this theory sounds pretty interesting, but theory without practice could lead to a digital faux pas. So, let's dive straight into configuration steps, shall we? First of all, we've got to set up Azure Monitor. This is like the base camp for our adventure. It collects and provides us with the data needed for our mission, serving as the treasure chest we need to navigate our networking terrains. Once we are set, let's configure our network watcher. Remember, it's our digital watchman on the lookout for security threats to our network. By configuring the watcher, it becomes more efficient in spotting inconsistencies and potential issues. Following this, we need to learn to use our newly trained Network Performance Monitor. It's time we learn to interpret what NPM says about our network performance. We must understand the patterns of performance during different scenarios like peak hours and regular hours. Last, but certainly not least, let's implement Azure Traffic Analytics. Traffic Analytics provides insights into how data and communications flow through the network. This tells us whether we are just humming along or if we hit a speed bump here and there. Moving on to troubleshooting, an essential skill in any IT professional's toolkit. With monitoring once in a while, we might run into troubles that require our troubleshooting prowess. Here's where best practices come in handy. These are the tried, tested, and true ways to navigate network monitoring and troubleshooting. They're the golden nuggets we are going to pull out of our monitoring systems to help us identify and solve network issues. Phew, that's quite a journey, right? Now that you are all set up and savvy in the nuances of network monitoring in Azure, why not share this knowledge and grow with the community? Visit Neeraj at qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Stay tuned for more exciting tech talks and dives with your friend on Microsoft Azure.